Bill Gates once said, "If you were born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake." Welcome to BrightifyMe.com. Dream big, act, progress, where knowledge meets opportunity. We are passionate about transforming education and empowering learners worldwide. Our platform serves as a vibrant hub, connecting educators, learners, and content creators in a seamless and dynamic environment. At our platform, we believe that education should be accessible to all, regardless of geographical barriers or socioeconomic backgrounds. We strive to bridge these gaps by bringing together a diverse range of educational resources, courses, and services under one roof. Our mission is to revolutionize learning on a global scale, addressing the pressing issue of unemployment through a comprehensive ecosystem that fosters collaboration, innovation, and personal growth. We recognize that unemployment is a global challenge, affecting individuals and communities around the world. To combat this, we aim to provide a platform that offers comprehensive solutions to bridge the skills gap and empower individuals to thrive in the evolving job market. At BrightifyMe.com, our vision is to create an inclusive platform where learners, educators, and content creators can come together to unlock their full potential. We believe that everyone deserves access to quality education and opportunities for personal and professional development, regardless of their background or location. By breaking down geographical barriers and leveraging technology, we strive to bring education and career advancement within reach for individuals across the globe. At our core, we are passionate believers in the transformative power of education and its potential to address global unemployment challenges. Our mission is to nurture and empower a new breed of professionals, edupreneurs, who seamlessly blend the roles of educator and entrepreneur. By equipping individuals with the knowledge, skills, and mindset needed to thrive in the ever-evolving job landscape, we are shaping a brighter future. Our innovative approach embraces the fusion of pedagogy and business acumen, enabling edupreneurs to create impactful learning experiences while simultaneously driving economic growth. With a commitment to fostering innovation, fostering creativity, and fostering social change, we are dedicated to not only solving unemployment but also cultivating a generation of changemakers poised to reshape the world. Our platform is built upon the principles of collaboration, innovation, and flexibility. Whether you are a student seeking to enhance your skills, an educator looking to share your expertise, or a content creator eager to reach a global audience, our platform is designed to cater to your unique needs. We offer a diverse range of courses and learning resources, curated by industry experts, to ensure that learners have access to the latest knowledge and skills demanded by the job market. In addition, our platform serves as a hub for collaboration, fostering a community of learners and educators who can connect, exchange ideas, and learn from one another. We believe that learning is a lifelong journey, and through interactive forums, discussion boards, and virtual classrooms, we encourage continuous growth and knowledge sharing among our community members. Furthermore, we understand the importance of adaptability in today's rapidly changing world. Our platform embraces emerging technologies and innovative approaches to education, such as artificial intelligence (AI), Web3, blockchain technology, Internet of Things (IoT), virtual reality, augmented reality, and other progressive tools. By incorporating these advancements into our learning ecosystem, we ensure that our users stay at the forefront of industry trends and gain the skills required to succeed in a digital and interconnected world. Ultimately, our mission is not only to provide education and skill-building opportunities but also to empower individuals to become catalysts for change within their communities. We believe that by equipping individuals with the tools, knowledge, and support they need, we can collectively address the global unemployment problem and contribute to the economic growth and prosperity of societies as a whole. At BrightifyMe.com, you will find an extensive collection of high-quality courses, e-books, interactive learning materials, and educational tools across various subjects and disciplines. Our diverse community of educators and experts ensures that you have access to a wide range of perspectives and knowledge sources, enabling you to personalize your learning journey. We understand that learning doesn't end in the classroom, which is why we offer opportunities for learners to connect with mentors, engage in collaborative projects, and participate in interactive discussions. Our platform encourages active learning, critical thinking, and real-world application of knowledge. Transparency and trust are at the core of our values. We carefully vet our educators and content creators to ensure that you receive reliable, up-to-date, and accurate information. We also provide user reviews and ratings to help you make informed decisions and choose the best learning experiences. Join our BrightifyMe family today and unlock your full potential. Embrace a world of endless opportunities, discover your passions, and embark on a lifelong journey of learning. Together, let's shape the future of education. Welcome aboard. Our mission and vision: welcome to a world of boundless possibilities. A place where dreams come to life, where actions pave the way to progress. Welcome to BrightifyMe.com. Dream big, act, progress, the platform that empowers you to reach new heights and conquer the challenges of a dynamic and evolving world. Did you know that the global unemployment problem continues to impact millions of lives around the world? According to recent data, the International Labor Organization estimates that over 208 million people are currently unemployed worldwide. These numbers are not just statistics, they represent individuals, families, and communities grappling with the challenges of finding stable employment and achieving financial security. Let's take a closer look at some of the top countries with the highest unemployment rates. South Africa. South Africa faces persistent challenges in reducing unemployment. The latest statistics indicate that the country's unemployment rate is approximately 34.4%, impacting a substantial portion of the population. Brazil, with its rich cultural heritage and vast resources, Brazil struggles with high unemployment rates. Currently, the unemployment rate in Brazil is around 14.7%, leading to significant job challenges for many skilled workers. India, in a country with a population of over 1.4 billion, the unemployment rate remains a significant concern. According to the latest data, India's unemployment rate stands at around 7.8%, affecting millions of individuals seeking job opportunities. Spain has faced economic challenges, resulting in elevated unemployment rates. The country's current unemployment rate stands at approximately 15.5%, creating difficulties for many job seekers. United States, even in developed nations like the United States, the impact of unemployment is felt by many. In recent years, the unemployment rate in the United States reached as high as 14.8%, resulting in job losses and economic instability. These examples highlight the global nature of the unemployment problem and the need for comprehensive solutions. At BrightifyMe.com, we recognize the urgency of addressing these challenges and providing accessible opportunities for skill development and job placement. Our mission is to empower individuals in these countries and worldwide to overcome unemployment barriers. Through our platform, we offer a wide range of courses, practical experiences, and a supportive community to equip job seekers with the skills and confidence necessary to secure meaningful employment. Together, we can break the cycle of unemployment and pave the way for a brighter future. Let us unite across borders, cultures, and languages to redefine the possibilities of education and employment. In a time where traditional job opportunities seem scarce and the global unemployment problem looms large, BrightifyMe.com stands as a beacon of hope, driven by a mission that transcends borders and transforms lives. Dream big. Act. Progress. 3 simple words with the power to redefine your future. At BrightifyMe, these words are the pillars upon which our platform is built, an unwavering commitment to solving the global unemployment problem through the transformative power of education. But what sets BrightifyMe apart? It's not just about offering courses, it's about creating a personalized and engaging learning experience. Our state-of-the-art artificial intelligence AI-powered learning system adapts to your unique learning style, making every lesson relevant, enjoyable, and effective. We believe that knowledge is most impactful when put into action. That's why BrightifyMe goes beyond theoretical learning. We provide you with real-world projects, internships, and collaborations with industry experts, giving you the opportunity to apply your knowledge and gain practical experience. The journey doesn't stop there. As you progress and grow, we encourage you to become a teacher yourself. Share your expertise, inspire others, and generate income along the way. Imagine a world where learners become mentors, and knowledge creates a powerful cycle of economic growth. Through this iterative process, individuals gain practical experience that enhances their employability and entrepreneurial potential. The power to shape your destiny lies in your hands. Visit BrightifyMe.com today and embark on a journey of lifelong learning, empowerment, and economic prosperity. With us, you will discover the strength to dream big, the courage to act, and the determination to progress. As you navigate the immersive and enriching world of BrightifyMe, you'll find a vast array of courses that cater to diverse interests and industries. Whether you seek to master a new skill, explore innovative technologies, or gain insights from seasoned professionals, we have it all. BrightifyMe is not just an education platform, it's your gateway to unlocking your true potential. We're dedicated to guiding you through each step of your learning journey, ensuring that you grow not only in knowledge but also in confidence and capability. So, are you ready to embark on a transformational experience? Join our global community of learners, achievers, and innovators. Together, we will create a world where education breaks barriers, where progress knows no bounds. At BrightifyMe, we believe in the power of community and collaboration. Your active engagement and contribution are essential to creating a vibrant and enriching learning environment for all. We firmly believe in the ability of education to improve society and combat global unemployment. Our goal is to enable a new class of professionals known as edupreneurs, who effortlessly combine the professions of educator and entrepreneur. We're influencing a better future through transferring information, abilities, and flexibility. Our innovative approach combines pedagogy and business acumen, allowing edupreneurs to drive learning impact and economic growth. We are dedicated to delivering a diverse range of courses, programs, and resources that cater to the evolving needs of learners across different fields and industries. Our commitment to excellence drives us to collaborate with renowned educators, industry experts, and thought leaders to curate engaging and relevant content that meets the highest educational standards. Our goal is to remove barriers to education by offering flexible learning opportunities that transcend geographical limitations, financial constraints, and time constraints. We leverage cutting-edge technology and user-friendly platforms to provide an immersive and interactive learning experience, fostering collaboration, engagement, and knowledge sharing among our global community of learners. At BrightifyMe.com, we prioritize the success and satisfaction of our learners. We provide comprehensive support, guidance, and personalized learning pathways to help individuals achieve their educational goals. We believe in lifelong learning as a catalyst for personal and professional growth, and we empower our learners to unlock their full potential and thrive in an ever-changing world. Integrity, innovation, and inclusivity are the core values that drive our organization. We are committed to upholding the highest ethical standards, embracing innovation to continuously enhance our offerings, and creating an inclusive learning environment that respects and celebrates diversity. Our vision is to revolutionize the way the world learns by becoming the leading online education platform that empowers individuals to unlock their full potential, shape their future, and contribute to the economic growth of society. We envision a world where access to quality education knows no boundaries, where lifelong learning is embraced, and where individuals are equipped with the knowledge and skills to thrive in a rapidly evolving global landscape. At BrightifyMe, we are not just an online education platform, we are a movement that sparks transformation, revolutionizing how society views and embraces education. Through our innovative and comprehensive online learning solutions, we aim to inspire and transform lives by providing a seamless and personalized educational experience. We envision a platform that seamlessly integrates technology, pedagogy, and human connection to create an immersive and engaging learning environment that surpasses traditional boundaries. We strive to be the go-to destination for learners of all ages, backgrounds, and aspirations. Our vision is to offer a diverse range of courses, programs, and resources that cater to the ever-growing demands of the digital age, spanning various disciplines, industries, and emerging fields. By partnering with renowned educators, subject matter experts, and thought leaders, we envision delivering cutting-edge, industry-relevant content that prepares learners for success in their chosen paths. Our vision extends beyond individual learners. We aim to build a global community of knowledge seekers and lifelong learners. Through collaboration, networking, and knowledge sharing, we envision fostering a vibrant and inclusive community that inspires intellectual curiosity, encourages critical thinking, and fuels innovation. As part of our primary goal, we aim to create a platform that will enable individuals to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in the gig economy and adapt to the changing demands of the job market. Our dedication to contribute to the gig economy is not only fueled by the collective experience of our team members, who possess almost few decades of expertise in hospitality and aviation industry, information technology, sales and marketing, and other fields, but also by the shared passion of individuals from various backgrounds who are determined to make a positive impact on society. We believe that diverse perspectives and a common drive for improvement are essential for driving meaningful change in the society. Moreover, our platform goes beyond traditional boundaries, welcoming individuals from any background who share our passion for making a difference in society. We recognize that innovation and collaboration know no boundaries and that diverse experiences and perspectives can contribute significantly to personal and collective growth. As a leader in online education, we are committed to embracing continuous innovation and leveraging emerging technologies to enhance the learning experience. We envision harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, virtual reality, gamification, and other advancements to create an interactive, adaptive, and personalized learning environment that caters to the unique needs and learning styles of individuals. At the heart of our vision lies the belief that education is a transformative force capable of empowering individuals and driving positive change. We envision equipping learners with the skills, knowledge, and confidence to navigate a rapidly changing world, solve complex problems, and contribute meaningfully to society. Together, let us build a future where education knows no bounds, where learning becomes a lifelong pursuit, and where individuals can fulfill their potential and create a better world for themselves and future generations. See you soon, as we embark on this incredible adventure together.